Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. So what I have today is that Target Dollar Spot Christmas haul. I can't believe it. I'm telling you, it is unbelievable what I'm finding lately. Okay, so let's hop in to the Target Dollar Spot for Christmas 2021. Okay, first of all, I found this, and it says all the stockings were hung. See that right there? And it has these really adorable little felt stockings right there. I think they're so cute. It's like a little shadow box. So cabin feeling. I love it. I know I'm not going to be able to put all this in my bedroom because you know I'm doing the cabin theme, but I want to put a lot of these. I may put some of this in the bathroom on that shelf. I don't know, but I love this. So adorable. And this was $3. Such a cute little find, okay? Then look at this. Look at these skis. Are these not adorable? They had them in this natural, which is what I preferred, and then I think they were white. And these were $5. But look how adorable these are. Won't these look so cute in my bedroom? I don't know, like I said, where I'm going to put all this stuff, but I just think it's super adorable, okay? And then look what I found. I was totally out of control. That's all I can say. I found these little snowshoes. Look at this. I think it may have had like a little red berry there and it fell off, but look how adorable. These were $5. I think these are so precious. Can you imagine maybe something like this or oh no, I'll show you where it would be good at. But look how adorable, and it has this little rope here, like I don't know what kind that is, but it's not real flimsy. It's like a twine, and it's dark. Love that, and I love the little greenery that they put at the top with that bow. So adorable. But look at this. Oh my goodness. Ski Lodge, rentals and lessons. Look at those skis. Coffee shop. Look at that. And that is thick, and it looks like it has real, I mean, this is, I think it's that MDF, but it looks like real wood. Look at that. Would this not be really pretty, like hanging near that? Or even these? Oh my gosh, I can't stand it. We are going to have the coziest cabin in the bedroom ever, okay? And this was $5. And it's really thick, and it is large, as you can see from me. I mean, it's a good size. So that, I just couldn't believe it. I just kept finding things. Oh my gosh. But wait for it. Look what I found. They have this in white and red. This top removes. You can make your own snow globe. Look at that. How beautiful. This was $5. And it is so large. Look at this. We can do so much. I hope you can find these. I was shocked. They remind me of the gumball machines. I'm totally obsessed over this. So I picked up the white one. Does it say how large? It just says 2 pieces, fill your own glass snow globe. That's all it says. Love this. So I got the white and I got the red. I couldn't stand it. You could put these on drink stations. You could put them in a gingerbread kitchen. You could just make them a snow globe sitting around. You can do so much to these. So I got 2 of them. Love them. Then they had all these little houses, and they have little lights in them, and I picked up the church. I thought this would be so beautiful. You could put this in a tiered tray. You could put this maybe even in my bathroom. I mean, and then there's the little light, but they had the church, then they had a set of 2, which was a house and a smaller house. Then they just have plain houses. And this was $5 as well. I'm telling you, between Target, Dollar Spot, and Dollar Tree, they are blowing my mind. I'm just in awe. Okay, then look at these wood risers I found. You get a set of 2 for $5. You can paint them if you want. And this one right here is bigger than this one. This one is smaller, and you can see their little legs. And this one has a shorter leg than this one. Let me go ahead and just open this. I think it'll open up really easily. It'll give you a better feel for them. But here they are. Look at these wood risers. You could stack them if you wanted. You could put them side by side. Look at that. So adorable. So you get 2, okay? Then, what can I say? I found a bear for our bedroom. I am out of the moon for this cabin theme. They had the bear, they had a moose, and a squirrel, but I preferred the bear out of all of them. And I like this one because it had that little, it looks like it's an indentation, but it isn't. He has these really pretty little scarf, and he's on that, and he, believe it or not, was $3. And he is big. You can have this side, or if you just want the plain, you can do him this way. But I think he's cute like this. And he's on that little stand. Look how adorable. And that is really large. And he's chunky. I mean, he's not a wimpy piece for $3. So I am just beyond myself. Okay. Then I saw this. Now this is called a plastic cloche. And it was $5 as well. But oh, what we can do with this for Christmas. I cannot wait. Look how gorgeous that is. I have some things in mind, so if you can pick one of these up, I hope you do. But this is all I saw with the gold base, and then this is plastic, and then this just pops off. But you could put trees in it. You could do whatever you wanted to. You could just put lights in it. But I have plans, like I said. And then look at these little snowmen. You got a set of 3 for $3, and they're so cute. Look at their little nose and their faces, and then their little buttons. So adorable. You can leave them white. You could paint them. I think I'm going to leave mine white. I don't know. I may spruce them up. I haven't decided. But 3 of these for $3 is a great deal, and they're different heights. But I love them. Do so much. You could put that in the tier tray if you wanted. I only saw the white snowman. And then they had the little family of deer, and I had to get them. Here's the buck right here. Here's the doe. And here's the little fawn. So that's me, Melvin, and Maggie. But they're so cute. I don't want to take them out of their package, but look at that precious little face. They're so adorable. Such a cute little family. Okay, then I picked up, they had these trees, $1 a piece. And they're bottle brush trees. And you can see right there is $1. So I thought they were so cute. I like this wood. And this is very stiff, and I like that. And this one stands up a little, and this one's down further on the post. I mean on the base, and then this one was up a little. So I picked up 3 of these. Cannot wait. And then here's my last 2 finds. Okay, I found this Letters to Santa in red. You can put your mail in here, and I think it looks like it. Oh, it does. It opens right here and it closes. I just have problems with my fingers. This was $5, so I have a red one. And then I thought, might as well get the white one. So I picked up the white one. And just like the other one, Letters to Santa. You can hang them on the back with these little hangers if you want. But they just pop open like that. How cute is that? So that is everything that I found at Target's Dollar Spot this week. I mean, I when I went in there, I was totally shocked at what all I found. I mean, they had so much, and they had things that I didn't even pick up that were really cute. But now let me give you a brief little update on my hand. As you noticed, I have this brace now on this middle finger because this middle finger is much better. And this one is still sticking some. This one is very sore and a little sticky. But I'm being very careful. Like I said, I'm resting it all this week. But I'm planning next Friday to start DIY. So you're going to get your hauls Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, and then Friday I'm planning on starting my DIYs. I'm so excited, and I want to thank everyone for their prayers and their well wishes, and just I feel the love from you all, and I hope you can feel it back from me because I truly do love you all. You all are such bright spots in my life. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So like I said, I will see you Tuesday for an Amazon haul. Now, I found so many wonderful things for my cabin bedroom and for crafting ornaments, so you don't want to miss that Tuesday haul from Amazon. It's packed full of a lot of wonderful things, and if you can get it, it would be really good. But I think you'll enjoy it nonetheless. So let me get little Maggie right here and let her say hi to you. Say, well, here is the baby. Say, I was taking a little siesta. Were you taking a little nap, Maggie? She's so sweet. I'd like to also thank you all for understanding why right now I can't answer the comments because that really bothers my hand. I am keeping an eye on the comments. I know everything that's going on, and but right now I'm still not answering. So until next time, bye guys.